Okay guys, here's the thing. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to do something very special, like something I have been wanting to do like for so long. I wanna make like some decoration for my room. If you have seen my room, like on the background, it's very plain, and I want to change about something about that. I have already started on some of the reefs because, like, I'm telling you, I was so excited I could not wait just even to do the intro or show you guys. But let me show you some things that I have done. Here are some of the reefs. I did some flowers. Look how pretty they are. So guys, it's the next day. I'm in my room. As you can tell from the background, it's very plain. I just wanted to say that, like, introduce you to my room. This is not just my room because we are sharing this room, but this is my side of the room, and I'm going to decorate it as much as I can. So guys, yesterday I did some vine. I hope this is called vine. Other thing that I want to make something that you put like on the corner of your room and you put here inside. I can't remember the name, but like, you see that corner, I want to make it like. So let us start on the vine, then go to the flowers, then the leaves, then we'll go to, yeah, that thing that I told you, like, we are going to press it on the wall, then we are going to do the extra, the main tea of this video. So let us start. So guys, I'm done making the second vine. Here she is, so pretty, so purple. And this is the first one. Those are two. So I need to make the last vine because I need them three. So guys, I've been working on the small flowers. I want to make the small flowers. I made these two, white and pink. We are going to make these small flowers, and I have already made this plenty of the center. So, and this one, this is my scarf. It's one among the ends that I'm going to use. I've been working on the decoration stuff. I did hide all the ends of these big flowers. Today I crocheted the small flowers, and I did finish even the ends, and I did all the three vines. These are here, and I added on the ribs these ones. So my mic turned off. I hope I will be audible because I have a cold. I feel like it's ending, but my throat is not that clear. Thing that I want to crochet, the net thing, like for the corner, I came to know that it's called a triangle hammock. So that is what I'm going to crochet. I want to make it with reggae colors. I want to make it green, then yellow, then red. That's how I want to do it. So guys, I'm working on the hammock. This is the progress. I'm only going to do a few maybe inches, then I'll be all done with the green. So here I'm supposed to change the to the green yarn. So guys, I have this cat that I found yesterday, but her mom is calling her so much, and I saw her brother. I let the brother go. I love her. I even named her, but can you hear them? Like they are calling each other. I feel so bad keeping her. I went with her yesterday at home, but oh, so I'm going to let her go even if I don't want to. Let me show you guys the progress. I did finish the hammock. There she is. Love her so much. We are going to put her tomorrow. For the tea guys that I was telling you that I wanna make something good. I started on this pot and I did the soil or the reed, and I did attach the leaves. She's so pretty. I've never seen like anyone sell these kind of flowers, and I know my friends are going to be like, oh, she's so pretty, can you make me one? I love her so much. I wanna fill in the pot so that I can do the soil on top like this. It's going to be very, very pretty. So I have here scraps that I'm going to use. So I'm done stitching it up all together. So I'm going to do the handles, and she's basically done. I think the ribs are a few. I don't think they are that much, but if I decide to add, I'm just going to add them. But I feel like for now they are pretty. She's all done. So guys, at least today we had some progress. So guys, it's the next morning and I want to work on putting this flower. I have a nail here and a hammer. I feel like she's giving pretty there. She's very cute. I love her. Like, that's final. The second thing that we are going to do is attach this there. So guys, I've been working on the leaves and the flower and pressing them. Like, if you can tell, there is the triangle stuff. I forgot the name again. And here I'm working on the ribs. I'm done. Let me show you guys how it's going to look like. So guys, there it is. I feel like it's pretty. I thank God like it's not too much. Yeah, so I feel like it's cute. Not too much, not too less. I feel so. If you have any other opinion, you can comment down below. I would like to hear your suggestions. But I feel like that is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching until here, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.